How much money can you really earn in Facebook's content monetization program? I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. Today I'm sharing my income report from Facebook for January 2026. I won't make you wait. Meta paid me $4,987 for content posted in January. Keep watching. I'm going to break down exactly what I did to earn almost $5,000 last month and ways I leveraged Facebook to make even more money. So you can see this basic breakdown here that shows I earned a grand total of 30 cents from the STARS program. So most of these earnings are from the content monetization program, which pays me to post content on Facebook. If you have not been accepted into the content monetization yet, I'll link to a video that'll teach you exactly how to get accepted. So my first page made $4,104.14. So this page is in the outdoors/travel niche. And on this page, I posted 16 times per day in January. And how that 16 times per day broke down is 7 image posts with links in the first comment, 4 image posts without any link. These are mostly memes or quotes. 3 reels, which is a mix of quotes, memes, and practical tips for the niche. And 2 text-only posts, which I always do white text on a black background because that's what I've heard works best. So looking at the breakdown for this page, we can see that most of my earnings came from photos, which makes sense as I post heavily a lot of photos. 11 of the 16 posts per day are photos. And then reels are the next most. And then the text doesn't earn a lot, but I still do the text because it drives high engagement and it does get me followers. And I did not earn any bonuses on this page this month. Moving on to the next page, which earned $882. So this page is in the wildlife niche. For this page in January, I was also posting 6 times a day, including 11 image posts, no links on those, 2 reels, and 3 text on image post. Again, white text, black background. But what's really interesting about this page is that even though I posted a lot more photos, reels were 75% of my earnings. So in February, I'm going to lean really heavy into video, and we'll see how much we can multiply these earnings. I also earned $143 in extra bonuses in this. So these are bonuses that Facebook offers within the content monetization program. The 2 I was offered this month were for reels. So within a week to hit 2 reels that reached 125,000 people. And then I also had a couple of small bonuses that paid you simply to cross post 6 times to group pages. So those were easy to get bonuses on this page. So actually very small portion was from photos, so I'm going to lean heavily into reels and less photos next month. But that's not all I earned in January. While this wildlife page is a standalone Facebook page, my travel page is part of a larger brand with a website in Mediavine. And so this is my January Mediavine earnings broken down by traffic source. And we can see that the ads on the website, specifically from Facebook traffic, made me $3,156 in January. I also made a few thousand more dollars from sponsored posts and affiliate links from that website, and most of the traffic is being driven by Facebook. If you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars each month by simply posting on Facebook, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Thanks for watching.